So if you're trying to withdraw your Temu credit balance, this is how you can do it. So open up Temu and log into your Temu account. Once you've logged into your Temu account, click on the U tab here, and from there select the credit option. So if you tap on the credit option here, you will see your credit balance. So at the moment I have no balance, I have zero balance, but if you have credit balance and if it's withdrawable, you will see there is an option to withdraw it, because not all credit balance from Temu you will be able to withdraw, because some of these credit balance, they are actually designed exclusively for purchases on the platform and they never expire. So you can only use it to for any purchases within the platform. But if you are able to withdraw it, then you will see there is a withdraw option. Or if a refund was mistakenly sent to your credit balance, you can contact the customer support. So click on the little headphones icon on your top right there, that's the customer support. So from here, scroll all the way down, you will see a contact us option. Tap on the contact us option and you'll get to the chat section here. So now here you can now request them to transfer your funds from your credit balance to your bank account or your original payment account if it was a mistake. So that way they can do it for you, but you won't be able to do it by yourself. So this is how you can withdraw it, only if it's possible for you to do it